Welcome to the Hillsboroughian Historian. My name is Rex, and it's time to see what the terrier is serving up with his history on a platter. Looks like it's the class of 1978. This yearbook is dedicated to Assistant Principal Bernie Wilson. In 1927, the cornerstone for HHS had been placed. That same year, the Gerber Company was founded. The image of the iconic Gerber Baby was based on a child that was destined to become an English department head at HHS, Mrs. Ann Cook. The legend of Mrs. Cook's brush with fame continued to grow. A year earlier, she had been featured in People magazine. And this year, she would be on the Mike Douglas Show. However, throughout it all, Mrs. Cook made it clear that none of this could interfere with her real job, which was teaching. Friday night football, as always, was the popular event. After the game, Terriers would go to ABC Pizza to hang out and have fun. In November, students held a walkathon to raise money to restore the clock tower chimes. The lunchroom smokestack had been hit by lightning around this time, but the school board voted to repair it, even though it was no longer in use. Radio station WLCY held a contest to see which school had the most school spirit. The point of the contest was to get as many signatures as they could. So everybody's signing signatures all over pieces of paper. I wasn't even at Hillsborough yet, and they were making me sign my name all over pieces of paper. But at the end of the day, Hillsborough won with millions of votes. Here are some scenes from the Terrierette's induction. It was another historic year with many friendships formed. At the end, of course, these terriers were left with just memories. Memories and whatever terrier gear they had bought, that is. At any rate, it was soon time for graduation, and Principal Collins would be handing out diplomas at the Curtis Hickson Convention Center. All right, my friends, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to keep up with all of my HHS videos, and as always, go Big Red.